Hello and welcome to another video. This is Mohammed Bakri from Community of Babel, and today we are going to study the future tense in Standard Arabic. It's very easy, and if you're familiar with the verb conjugation and in the present tense, if you're familiar with the present tense in Arabic, and I will put the link for our video for the present tense verb conjugation at the end of this video. So the future tense is very easy because the first way to form the future tense is to use سوف, which is like will in English, سوف plus the verb in the present tense. So here, سوف أذهب means I go, إلى to المكتبة. المكتبة means the library. مكتبة means library. So المكتبة, the library. So I will go to the library. سوف أذهب إلى المكتبة. So سوف before the verb, and the verb must be conjugated with the subject pronoun. And here إلى المكتبة to complete the sentence. So here I will go to the library. But please note that in the future tense in Arabic it's a little bit different from English because it is used for any event that will happen in the future, even if it's after 1 minute from now. So here, for example, سوف أبدأ حالا. أبدأ means I start. So سوف أبدأ حالا. حالا means now or immediately. Means immediately. So I will start now or I will start immediately. So here, even if after 1 minute we use the future, سوف أبدأ حالا. The second way to form the future is to use sa, which is an abbreviated form from سوف. It's sa plus the verb, of course, in the present tense. So here, سأذهب للمدرسة حالا. سأذهب instead of سوف, سأذهب, I will go or I am going. للمدرسة, here li, it's a preposition. المدرسة, madrasa means school. للمدرسة, to school. حالا, immediately or now. So سأذهب للمدرسة حالا. I'm going to school now. Okay, so this is the future tense in Standard Arabic. It's very easy if you're familiar with the present tense in Arabic. So I hope this video has been useful to you. You can subscribe to our channel for more videos and you can visit our website for more lessons. See you in future lessons.